Jai Sriman When Shatrughna has seen Bharata crying like that, immediately Shatrughna came and Parishvajya Ruroda Uchaihi. He hugged Bharata and both of them started crying. Then all the mothers also came to Bharata, hugged Bharata and started crying, all of those mothers also. Then Kausalya Mata asking Bharata, are you feeling okay health-wise? Do you have any pain or suffering health-wise? Oh Bharata, you are only the one who can support us now, Bharata. We are all living, keeping only hopes on you only, Bharata. Please get your strength back. Like that, Kausalya Devi started consoling Bharata. After little while, Bharata came to normal situation again. Then Bharata started asking Guha, that Guha, please tell me, where Sita, Rama, Lakshmana stayed here last night? Where did they sleep? Where did they eat? What did they eat? Please tell me all the details. Then Guha started saying that, oh Bharata, I got so many things for Rama. Annam, Bhakshyaha, Phalani, Vividhani cha. I brought so much food and fruits and so many things for Rama. But Bharata, you know what? What Rama said? He said, oh Guha, oh my dear friend Guha, we are Kshatriyas. We should not be taking anything from anyone. But we can definitely give anything to anyone. We should not be taking anything from anyone. Like that, Rama said. Then Lakshmana brought some water. Sita and Ramachandra Swami drank some water and did fasting for that day, for that night. Oh Bharata, then whatever the water left, Lakshmana drank that water. He also did fasting. 3 of them observed Maunavratam. 3 of them did their Sandhya Vandanam. Then Lakshmana Swami brought so much of grass blades, darbha, and made a small bedding for Sitamma and Ramachandra Swami. Then before they go to sleep, Lakshmana noticed Rama's both feet were having so much mud because Rama was walking here and there on the banks of Ganga river. He got so much mud on his feet. Lakshmana brought some Ganga Jalam, washed the feet of Rama and gave some water to Sitamma for her to wash her feet. Then Sitamma also washed her feet. Sita, Rama, Lakshmana went to the bed. Guha said all these things to Bharata. Guha is showing the place where Sita, Rama, Lakshmana, they all slept. Guha is showing to Bharata, saying that, oh Bharata, this is where Etat Ingudi Moolam. This is where, at the roots of this big tree, Sitamma and Ramachandra Swami slept. Idamevacha Tatrunam. Oh Bharata, these are the grass blades were used for Sita Rama to sleep on. Oh Bharata, Lakshmana did not sleep. Sitamma, Ramachandra Swami slept. Lakshmana, he has taken all of his weapons and throughout the night he was going around Sitamma and Ramachandra Swami and protecting them from all the directions. Oh Bharata, even myself also, along with my all people, have taken all of our weapons and started protecting Mahendra Samana, the one who is compared to Mahendra himself. Such Ramachandra Swami, we protected Rama throughout entire night along with Lakshmana. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. राम राम दशरथ राम 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 दशरथ राम हे हे राजा राम हे हे राजा राम हे हे सीता राम हे हे सीता राम। Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.